Yo guys, what up? Jomak here, and for today we will do a review and buyer's guide for server PSUs. Okay, so quickly lang guys, all of the server PSUs that I will be reviewing for this channel will be available sa Facebook shop natin. So click down below yung links natin na nasa pin comment or descriptions. If you want to search sa Facebook, it's Mining Rig Parts and Supply by yours truly. If you want to order not only server PSUs but also other mining rigs, or you want to have us build your mining rig, then you can message my team, Mining Rig Parts and Supply. Alright, so going back. Bakit, ano ba to? Server PSU na to? Ano ba kinalaman nito sa pagmimina? Bakit importanteng matutunan ko to? And ano naman yung advantage na to? Alright, so quickly lang, okay. Ang advantage ng server PSUs is number one, they are relatively cheaper for their price. Yung rating nila mas mataas versus if you will get yung normal na ATX PSU natin na nandyan. Yan. Yung nasa gaming PC natin. For example, for that price, you will get, for example, 7.5, okay? You will get around 750 watts na gold rated pag sa ATX. Whereas sa server PSU, less than that, you can get yung 1,500. So, double na ng wattage mo plus platinum rated. So, mas taas yung rating. Ano bang kinalaman kung mas mataas yung rating? Generally guys, higher ratings means much more efficient sila when you use them. And alam naman natin sa pagmimina, okay, ayan lang, quickly lang, table pinapakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yung comparison natin guys. Gold, ayan, 87, 89 ng platinum, 90 ang titanium, silver is there, 85, 82 si bronze. Yung plus standard yung natin pansinin yan. Hindi safe for mining yan. So what I'm trying to say guys is gusto kong ma-realize na mga minero katulad ko na over ilang years, ilang months, okay, ilang days, yung maliit na difference na yan, pa 2%, 2% na yan sa efficiency. Malaki yan guys pagka 3, 4, 5 taon yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kaya naman mas nire-recommend ko, get a PSU, kahit naman ATX na yan, basta mataas yung rating para hindi naman masayang yung pera natin. Alright? So yun yung una advantage, di ba? Mas mura. Pangalawa, for the same price, mas mataas na yung rating. Okay, pangatlo, these are actually built to run 24/7. Kasi itong mga to guys is actually ginamit na yan sa mga server room natin. Kaya alam natin na pang heavy duty talaga itong mga to. Okay, but rest assured kahit naman na server PSUs are actually used, kahit yung mga iba na bibili na for other sellers, kahit sabihin ng brand yan guys, walang brand yung server PSU. Yung mga brand yung server PSU is yung mga ilalagay pa lang sa data center. Lahat ng server PSU is actually coming from server racks. So, don't be fooled guys. All of server PSUs are actually used and sold sa second-hand market. Alright? So, I just have to be honest. Kaya din, mas mura sila. Okay? So, going back naman. Okay, bakit nire-recommend ko gumamit kayo ng server PSU? Again, price, maganda yung rating. Tapos, aside from that, yung components na ginamit nila, syempre, quality pa rin yung mga capacitors. Malalaki to guys, nagbukas na ako ng ganito. Kasi laki din ng mga components ng mga high-end natin na ATX PSUs. What's more, you have this. Okay, so this is called the breakout board. Pwede ka magpalit-palit ng mga breakout board. Iba't ibang model will fit iba-ibang model din ng server PSUs. I will have a review of this. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, and all those good stuff. If you wanna watch out for the reviews of the types of breakout boards and what I recommend to use. Okay? So again, ayun, makakagamit ka ng breakout board na katulad nito na maraming slot, maraming wires ka na pwedeng i-attach dyan and attach to your RTX cards, mapa 3080, 3090 pa yan. Hindi ka kakaposin ng mga cables. Unlike sa ATX, very limited. Alright? So, going back, hindi naman to ATX versus server PSUs. This is server PSU guide. So, para saan ba tong mga tong models na to and ano yung para sa'yo? So, number one, punta tayo sa 1,200 watts na silver. So, ito is one of the cheapest models that I have. I'm not sure kung I will, I'm actually trying to get 750 watts na platinum rated naman. Para yung talagang mga budget build. Okay, isa, dalawa, or tatlong GPUs lang. Then you can get yung 750 watts nga lang, pero platinum rated naman. So, efficient pa rin sa kuryente. Okay, versus 1,200 watts na silver. Pero ito, this is actually good for mga beginners. Okay, gusto pa lang sumubok, ayaw pa masyado mag-commit. Kasi they share the same parts naman, yung mga breakout board sa cable. So, can still use sa mga high-end ones natin. So, pwede ito sa mga test rig natin. Okay, sa mga nagtitipid, you can try this one out. Yung next natin is of course yung pinaka-common, okay? The myth and the legend. The myth and the legend natin. Talagang pag nilalaunch natin to, 2-3 days sold out na. This is the 1,200 watts na platinum by HP. Okay? Quickly lang guys, maingay ba yung server PSUs? Lahat ng server PSUs natin guys is actually silent type. Okay? Meaning, ang ibig sabihin dito guys, pag idle sila, mas malakas pa yung fan ng GPU mo. So, whisper quiet itong mga to. Of course, under load, sisipol talaga yan pagka tipong mga 80% and above. So, ang technique doon, maglagay ka na lang ng mas maraming server PSUs para hindi mo kinakarga ng bugbog sarado at sumisipol sila sa ingay. Okay? Kasi ganun din yung ginagawa ko sa personal rigs ko. Okay, so going back, no? 1,200 watts platinum, ito yung talagang desidido ka na pang matagalan na minahan na yan. Of course, 1,200 watts is more than enough. Okay? For your needs, lalo na kung bagon ka pa. Tapos, platinum efficient siya. So, compare mo tong dalawang to is around mga 4% ng difference sa mining, sa efficiency ng power consumption. So, kung katulad ko na nasa Manila, medyo mahal yung kuryente namin versus kung nasa Baguio ka, nasa Benguet, up north, then I recommend you get this. Okay? Yung mga mas efficient na power supply natin. Of course, gold is also efficient. And ang maganda dito sa Dell natin na 1,400 watts naman siya. So, mas marami kang mapapagkasya na GPUs for this one. This is also silent operation. So, whisper quiet siya during idle. And this is actually a relatively new na item na carried na store. Pero we have tested this one. Stress tested it sa rigs. And so far, so good. I'm trying to get yung 1,400 watts na platinum rated for this one. So, para sa mga sobrang power conscious na medyo mataas yung kuryente nyo, then you can get the 1,400 watts platinum model. So, kung hindi naman ganun ka-price sensitive or naka-solar ka, then you can go ahead and buy either yung silver natin or yung gold rated natin. Next naman natin is yung 1,500 watts na platinum rated. This one is from HP. So, kita pa lang, sa itsura pa lang, talagang hindi tinipid sa pyesa to guys. Dalawa pa yung exhaust fan niya. Okay? And this is good for high powered cards, okay? Or hindi man high powered na cards pero maraming piraso na rig yung mga 10x na GPU cards sa isang mining. So bagay na bagay yan. So again guys, for the budget builds, mga starters pa lang, ito talaga yung favorite ng mga tao na binibili sa atin. If you were not that sensitive or naka-solar ka or hindi ka ganun ka taas yung kuryente sa inyo and you want higher capacity than 1,400 watts na gold. And finally, ito talaga yung parang creme de la creme natin right now. It's the 1,500 watts na platinum by HP. Again, di na ako kumuha ng mas matataas na models kasi napansin ko pag yung matataas na models, maingay yung hide. Kapampangan. Sorry guys. Maingay yung hide. Inulit pa. Maingay yung idle nila guys. So, I don't like it kasi, of course, marami sa mga clients natin, ako personally, I mine sa residence ko lang naman, sa kwarto ko. So, talagang iniiwasan natin yung mga maiingay na server PSUs and all this for is actually whisper quiet unless na naka-full load sila. So, next na video natin guys, i-review ko naman tong breakout board. Again, that's it. If you want to purchase these PSUs, I really hope na on stock pa rin sila by the time that you watch this video. Links down below guys. Follow the Facebook page and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching guys. Jomak here and I'll see you on the next one.